It's Den, everybody. Thank you for coming to see us. Is this your first time in the United States?
Тийм ээ, анхудаага ирж байна.
This is the first time in America. Yeah.
It's your first time in America. What's the number one thing you're hoping to see whilst you're in America?
Америкт байх хугацаанд хамгийн түрүүнд юу армаар нэг үзмээр байгаа юм.
Далаа дээр очиж сэлж үзтiin.
He wants to swim at the beach in the beach.
You want to swim at the beach? Well, I'm sure we can arrange that. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Den.
And Amarillo by morning, from San Antonio, everything that I've got is just what I've got on. When that sun is high and the pixie sky, I'll be barking at a county fair. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's on my mind. Amarillo by morning, up from San Antonio, everything that I got is just.
He doesn't speak any English. Does he know what he's saying?
I ain't got a dime, but what I got is mine. It's blonde and free. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be. Amarillo by morning, Amarillo's where I'll be.
Ladies and gentlemen,